Alright, so something here has happened with my headphones, and these are the headphones that I use when I'm making videos. So these are used for hours and hours and hours at a time, and I do have at least two other sets of these that I use for production work when we're doing shows. They do not look like this. I've had these probably for about, I'm going to say maybe 5 to 8 years. And they are nice and soft around the side of it. I have this replacement. The earpiece around here, it's not the same as this one. This is a little bit more coarse. It is feels very soft. Now the only difference here, I don't know if you can tell or not, but if you look at the opening here compared to this one here is actually a little bit smaller than this one, and this could interfere with how it sits on the ears as compared to this, but we'll find out here, because I really don't want to go back to these just because they just don't last that long. All right. All right, they're just peeling right off. It's good. I suspect the hardest part here is going to be getting the other ones back on. All right. Adjust this. I'm guessing here if I can get them started here at the top. My apologies here if you can't quite see everything I'm doing. I wish it'd be nice to have a production facility where I can have many multiple camera angles and much better lighting. Let's see. So what I'm doing here is just, as I said, I'm starting up here at the top and trying to work my way down by pulling it to get the edge inside. There's a slight opening between the earpiece and the headphones itself. Here we go. Oh. All right, well, that wasn't too bad, which seems suspicious. Hopefully I did that right. All right, and so I don't know if you can see or not, there is a right here, there's just a small opening. Looks like it's maybe 1/32 of an inch right in here, and that's where the this slight edge here, right there, that slight, it's almost like it's got to go into this crease. Alright, let's try it on this other one. Maybe I can do the same. And I've got to just sort of start it, so I'm going to use my finger here to hold it in place. Going to give it a little turn here to make sure everything's sitting in there. It's all right, this one's done. That was really concerned about this. This actually went in a little bit better than before. All right, this turned out pretty good. All right, let's see how they feel. Oh yeah, those feel really good. They actually do feel better than the original ones. Yeah, these are nice and soft. They've got a lot of there's a lot of surface area. Looks like there's maybe more surface area to absorb the compression. You know what I mean? The weight of the headphones on the ears compared to this. Yeah, these actually feel softer. All right. Well, I may have to order this top part here. I'm not too sure what it's called, but I do know on the other headphones that I have that these are also getting worn, but the earpieces on the other ones are not getting that worn. So, all right. I think this was a success. All right. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.